Yo, 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 what's good, people? It's 2 minutes past 8 p.m. UK time, Sunday, the 29th of October 2023. Welcome to another amazing episode of Technically Speaking. Yeah. If you bear with me 1 second, I just want to make sure that everything is working on the tube of you. So I'm just
This
going to
meeting is
blockchain.
being recorded.
Yes, no problem. Let me make Cairo co-host as well. Make co-host. Yeah, you know the vibes. Okay, I'm just checking. Everything is working on the YouTube. 1 second. Let me just check the YouTube is working. Second. Let me just check the YouTube is working.
Guys, we
Okay,
live.
it seems like the YouTube is working. It seems like the YouTube is working. I'm just gonna message my homie Saint Jerome, aka Ashley, who has kindly. Oh, thank you. He says YouTube is calm. He's on technical support right now on the YouTube, so I got my phone right here. If the Matrix attacks, we will be informed. Yeah. So, for those that aren't aware, this is one of the greatest shows on the internet today as we know it. It's a very historical time right now. This is a weekly show called Technically Speaking. Oh, they're after me. 1 second, guys. I'm joking. I've committed no crimes. This is a weekly show where we break down the crypto market, stock market, gold market, any chart, including but not limited to decentralized finance, cryptocurrencies. We have a look. Nothing is financial advice in this show. Before getting into the very important disclaimer, yeah, I'm feeling good today. Let me first share my screen and tell you how you, yes, you, ladies and gentlemen, can join this free weekly webinar. So what you do is you go to instagram.com/blockchain sensei. Watch out for the fakes. Watch how blockchain is spelled and how sensei is spelled. Lots of fake accounts. Please be careful. Click the link in our bio. I say this every week. We're gonna switch to Super Joy soon. I promise, Outspoken. I'm sorry, okay? Click on this link here. Mondays, Fridays, Sundays, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. UK time, or 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. New York time. You can join the Zoom. We recommend you join the Zoom because the Zoom is where the real action happens. Alternatively, catch the replays on youtube.com/blockchain sensei or twitter.com/blockchain sen or linkedin.com/blockchain sensei, I think. And you can find nearly 300 videos. We're giving out 3 hours plus of live every single week. Mondays, we got a show called The Game. We'll be running that every Monday, 8 p.m. till 9:30 since 2020, where we speak to a lot of industry people in Web3, dive into some deep reports such as Fidelity and ARK Invest. Fridays, we do a show called NFT Fridays. Self-explanatory. And Sundays, this is the new show. Bitblond has parked herself as a resident guest and resident host. I think she's earned it. But yeah, that's how you join the webinars. Alternatively, catch the replays on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, soon to be Binance Live. And make sure you join our Telegram. Make sure you join our WhatsApp. It's easy to find on our Instagram bio and in the description of our videos. Make sure you follow the Bitblond, SHURiKAN, Cairosharn, etc. Without further ado, let's get into the disclaimer. Okay, disclaimer. Terms and conditions. All content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only, and it should not be considered as investment advice to buy, sell, hold any assets, nor place any trades. Please always do your own what, guys and girls and humans? Yes, sir. Our content is intended and should only be used for informational use only. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. Bitblond, Cairosharn, Alyssa, St. Jerome, anybody in the Twitter, anybody on the IG, anybody on the YouTube. Is there any financial advisors in the house right now? Say now or forever hold your peace. No, sir. Alternatively, independently research and verify all and any information you may find in our show that you may wish to rely upon, whether you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise. All investments come with what? Ladies, gentlemen, humans, aliens, and beautiful, intelligent creatures. Yes. So therefore, you should always do your own what? Yes, yes, yes. Again, no financial advisors in the house, or if there is, they're not letting us know. We're working in collaboration with several accredited financial advisors and accredited investors and accredited financial professionals, included but not limited to. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, let us know, let Bitblond know, let myself know. We are easily accessible people on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You can go into Telegram and say, I need a financial advisor, and I'll personally see to you on Telegram and or WhatsApp that you are sorted out as soon as possible. So let's get to the fun bit. Let's get to the fun bit. What's that? Uh, okay. Have we moved on to the Zoom? Have we moved on to the Zoom? One sec. Moved on to the Zoom. Have we moved on to the Zoom? One sec, one sec, one sec. Let's make sure it's moved on to the Zoom. Has it moved on to the Zoom? Wait. Let me stop sharing and then go back. Let me go back. Let me go back.
Extra one. So
All right. I think we're back. I think we're back. Three. Yes. My friends. Bitblond, how is it going? How's New York? What's New York saying? It's looking very spooky in the Big Apple.
yeah, crazy as usual, but has been a very, very great week so far. How do you feel about this week in crypto?
I feel very positive. I'm still confident. I'm gonna make a bearish call. I think Bitcoin, some candles will touch 27K in the next 90 to 120 days. There's gonna be some kind of drawdown. It's not all fun. But I do have some sell orders at 38K,
Yeah,
37K, even 40K just in case. But yeah, I've sold a bit of Bitcoin to buy it back. I'm very happy. I've sold some Phantom, I sold some Polkadot, I sold some Solana, I took profits. I'm very, very happy. I can't complain. Yeah, it's a good week in crypto. What about you?
yeah. I don't think that we're going to deep that bad yet, but it's healthy to have a correction after these bumps, but that's a little bit, I don't know, that's far. And also the halving is coming, so I'm pretty excited.
All right, so let's see. This is historical content. I believe Bitcoin is going to touch 27K in the next 90 to 120 days, and Hemley doesn't think Bitcoin is going to go back to 27K. Where do you think it's going to go back to in the next 3 to 4 months?
Well, I don't think that we're going that low, but let's see. Right. I don't want
How
to say
how low? How low?
anything.
How low? Give
The,
us a price. Give
the
us a price.
halving is coming.
All right, give us a price. Where do you think?
40.
30. All right.
Let's see,
So
40K if
you
we
don't
can.
think it's going to go lower than
I'm
30?
just
I've
being
got
positive.
listen. I've got buy orders at
Not
31.5,
now.
30 point,
We're
30.5,
literally pumping
30K.
though.
Huh?
I mean, not now. We're pumping this week still. But you're saying on the next 3 months.
Yeah. In next 3 to 4 months, I bet Bitcoin's going to touch 27K. And I've got some exciting technical analysis insights when it comes to Ethereum because I feel like Bitcoin's done the big pump and Ethereum's not really pumped. Like I think Ethereum's going to touch the 2K marks, especially 2032.
Yeah, Ethereum is very strong. Maybe next one. I mean, I have not prepared any on a Ethereum chart, but we should have a look on it. I think
Wanna have a
Ethereum it's
look?
definitely performing very, very good. But
Ethereum, I'd say, is pretty steep on the RSI at the moment as well on the daily.
I mean, 27K is not that bad, Ninja. It's not that bad. Would be a, it would be a, it's okay correction. As long as we fought from 25K levels, right?
I hear it. Okay, so do you guys mind if I go first, or is anyone dying to go on the charts first?
I can go first.
Okay, all right, Emily. She wants to go first. Go on then. Go on then, mate.
I'll be the first.
Take the
Let's have a look
stage.
on a Bitcoin price.
Alyssa, make sure you
Ready,
grill her.
ready.
Make sure you grill
So
heavily.
Bitcoin,
Ask her some big questions.
Yep, I will do.
yes.
And you as well,
Go
Saint
easy,
Joe,
yeah.
in the
Go
YouTube.
easy.
She calls
Okay,
herself the
so
Bitblond.
that's the comment scenario. Do you guys see a bullish flag here?
Mm-hmm. Most def.
Yeah, I see more a bullish flag, but I left this line here in case if we get rejected, and I would say 42K 200 would be the next buying point, right? Because I do believe that we're going to 40K. And Bitcoin is actually breaking out now. Let's go to 1 hourly chart. So changing. Come on. Okay. Okay. It's frozen.
Oh no, the Matrix is attacking Bitblond.
Yeah, the matrix is getting out.
Don't show the information. Eh.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I was just gonna show that Bitcoin is actually pumping now. Right now. So let's have an outlook on the crypto bubble website. That's
Course,
looking very, very spicy.
Emily's
Look
favorite
at this.
website.
That's my favorite website. It's so green. It's so green. It's so healthy. Even on a daily, well, not that much, but you can spot the red ones because I think Bitcoin's pumping now. So then, couple of hours, altcoins will start running. Catch the red ones, buy, and that's it. Not a financial advice, right? So, coming to CoinMarketCap, look at this.
Look at that greed.
Wow.
I just see greedy. I see greedy.
Everybody, we come
greedy
from
people.
Yeah, we come from this very, very bearish momentum, and everybody's greedy now. So, wow, what a challenge! I really thought that we were gonna die in crypto this year, but we're back. We're back in business. Everything is pumping. So you can have a look on these coins that hasn't pumped yet, because guys, as I said, altcoins is gonna start running very, very short. So have a look. It's even hard to find a coin that is down because everything is pumping so hard, right? And yes, now on the SPX, it's looking very, very bearish for the US market. I'm sorry for traders, but it's pretty bloody. Remember, I think I did this last video. So I said, if we break the support, SP 500 would literally fill the next gap. So yeah, US market is not looking good, people. So yeah, pretty
Wait,
bearish.
you said that on the last Technically Speaking, did you?
Yeah. So
Oh,
it was somewhere around here, but we just broke the support.
Okay. Did you have a short in or not?
No, I just wanted to do something on the traditional market so then people don't say that I just talk about Bitcoin, right?
Oh, shots fired
Yeah, I just wanted to do some,
for the haters.
outlook. So SP 500 is looking pretty bearish, That's it. What can we do? Bitcoin dominance is looking very, very healthy and bullish. Even knowing that we crossed kind of the line on the outside, I don't think that we're gonna dump at the moment. Because you know why? It's more about the people that they're not in crypto. They see everything going up and it's so much money coming into the market. That's how it works. So I don't expect Bitcoin to just drop from nowhere. I don't. I think we likely to go up. But the Bitcoin chart, okay, now we go. Oh, we're pumping right now. Yeah, we're pumping. Yes.
So where do you get this 40K from? Like, are you drawing a Fibonacci or where
No,
how do you
the
how we go from
I-
34.5 to 40? Where are you conjuring this up?
we had a copper handle long time ago, and
Okay,
this is where I get the 40K from. I'll show you.
yeah, please.
So
I'm so
that's
interested in this very, very bullish sell price.
the weekly, right? That's the support and resistance, and we literally broke the resistance. So I think we have one more green candle to come, and this candle hits 40K.
Mm.
Like when we break these levels, things move really, really fast. So we just broke the resistance, and Bitcoin on a weekly is looking very, very bullish. That's it. So on we
Wow.
had a cup and handle here a couple of times ago. Like that was a kind of a cup and handle, and we're
Yeah.
supposed to break to 40. But like in our outlook, oh my God. Okay. So in general, it's looking really good on a weekly. Maybe on a daily or 4-hourly chart, people might be scared. But on a weekly, look at that. That's like previous resistance, right? From the on a 50K. So I don't think we're going 50K, but 40K is likely. Let's see, somewhere around here. That would be literally 40K. I'm not that bearish at the moment. So yeah. And when we go 40K, so you can make a short position. That would be a great time. But now, it's just time to look for the next buy order. Yeah. What do you guys
What
think?
about your thoughts on
Makes
Ethereum?
sense. Makes sense.
Yeah, let's have a look on it.
Give us some Ethereum, TA.
Okay. I know you're kind of making a lot of ETH.
I
Right,
got I
Ninja?
got I got a
You're
few.
rich,
I got a few.
man.
I got a few Ethereum,
Okay, let's see.
few little bits.
There is
I know
looking.
it's twin. Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
2,600. If Bitcoin hits 40K, somewhere around 2,400, 2,500,
Damn, really? That high.
2,500, that would be it. It's waking up. It is. Wow. That's look good. He's in a good look, really. So yeah, I would say that 2,500. And also, as
So
I
let me
mentioned,
just get this on record. If Bitcoin hits 40K, you think that Ethereum will hit 2,500?
yes.
Okay. I like that. I like the bold predictions.
But again, guys, that's on a weekly, right? So let's see how the daily will perform. But it's looking good. And I think a lot of people were really, really scared. So they just start to get into crypto again.
Mm.
You know, which is good and bad because people come to crypto when they see prices going up. So everybody's buying crypto now. Everybody's talking about crypto, NFTs, everything. So that brings a very, very high bullish feeling to the market. And yeah, that's it from my side. I will leave on crypto bubbles. Is looking really, really good.
All right, sweet, sweet, sweet. I'm gonna go deep, so I kind of want. Oh, Alyssa's got a question for you. Go on, go on,
Okay.
Wait,
Alyssa. What
wait,
question you got,
Bitblond.
Bitblond?
So would you say, yeah, the main reason why everything's pumping now is because like previously scared investors are coming back into crypto?
Yeah. Yeah. It's like, it's normal. When people see everything up, suddenly everywhere and everybody is back to crypto, right? Because
Yeah.
they think, you know, they're missing out or something. So that's why I don't think Bitcoin is going to go down at the moment, like very down. I don't think so. Everybody's talking about it, you know, NFTs, everything, it's coming back.
How long do you think that will last? Or do you think there's not going to be another like big crash again? It's going to like kind of more stabilize or?
Well, I think so, around 40K. So then it's a great place to make a short.
Cool, thanks.
Welcome.
Cairosharn, you ready to give him some shung on gold?
Sure, let's go live. Let's go.
Let's go.
So yeah, here's my analysis on gold. Here is the last point of action where we was talking about where gold was going to be moving. Last week I essentially said that gold is going to be pulling back from where it was when it reached 1997. This was a massive point of resistance, and so as I said it would, it basically pulled back to a point of liquidity, as you can see here. So it's pulled back, and then I'm seeing a lot of consolidation. So the market's been moving up and down, and then around Wednesday, what happened was the market started forming a rising wedge. And so then basically what happened was the market essentially broke resistance as of Friday. And so I marked out a buy zone between 1976 and 1982. And then the market broke a resistance, reaching a new high of 2009. So now essentially what is going to be playing out, I reckon, I'd say like this move basically happened because of the conflict again. I feel like a big reason why markets move upwards in terms of commodities and crypto in particular as well is that they move on the upside when the dollar falls and when the dollar is when there's a lot of fear, I'd say, in the world because of the news and the media talking about conflict or natural disasters and stuff like that as well. So I think, of course, as stipulated last week, gold has continued to rise in the last 3 weeks or so since the conflict came about in Israel. So if we zoom out on the daily, I'll just mark up some points as I was backtesting. We can see these circles that I've mapped out were essentially Fridays. So every circle you can see is pretty much a bullish candle. Until last Friday, actually. Last Friday was quite an odd day. And that's why consolidation ended up happening because the whole week was essentially bullish. So yeah, this day was, of course, as you can see, like a hammer candlestick. And so what happened was you can see some consolidation here. So now I think as you know, Friday was quite bullish. We can see some more consolidation happening again, some sideways movement. There might be a pullback to a specific area. I'm gathering that it might pull back to around 2000. and then we'll see the market continue to rise as conflicts doesn't seem to be dying down anytime soon. There's a ground war happening in Gaza right now, and so yeah, gold can continue to rise to a higher high of around 2040 if the conflict were to, of course, continue. Because yeah, the market has just been moving insane. We can see, of course, back here before the conflicts started breaking out, there was a change in momentum here with these candlesticks, and then the market's just been on a massive upside. So if we map out the actual movement of the market since that point, the percentage gain on gold has been insane. So this is literally almost 11%, and in comparison to Bitcoin,
crazy.
that's like Bitcoin doing a massive pump of 60%, so to speak, in comparison to gold. So yeah, the upside on gold has been has been crazy. And so yeah, I'd say gold will probably continue to shoot up in the next week or so. Where do I think it will go? I can see the market rising up to 2030 next week. But of course, we may still be seeing some more consolidation as we did last week. I will say, of course, as well, be careful when trading news. I started putting out a rule for myself that I wouldn't trade gold 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after news has come out at 1:30 p.m. And also 3 p.m. as well, if any significant news happens there. So yeah, just looking back to the market. A last point of downside that I'm seeing is around this area, 2021. We can see here this last green candle before the market goes on the downside. So I'm gonna actually mark this area here as well. And that's a potential area that gold can go to in the next couple of days. I'm just gonna mark that zone. So yeah, in terms of gold, I'd say it could continue to move on the upside.
Thank you very much, Cairosharn. Thank you very much. All right, let's go. My turn. All right, got a treat for you guys. I got a treat for you guys. So, first of all, big up to the Bitblond on always creating great artwork for the Sunday show. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. So let's have a look at some key economic data. This one, I downloaded the data set from, wow, what a sin, we don't even follow him. Gareth Soloway, one of my favorite people to consume on a multi-weekly basis when it comes to charts and data. So let's have a look at some recent numbers that came in, which is the PCE. That's the that's the personal consumer expenditure index. So we can see that core PC price index on the month-on-month met the forecast at 0.3%, right? We can see that on the PC price index month-on-month, the actual is higher at 0.4%. However, on a yearly, it hit the forecast 3.7%. And also on the yearly, it hit the forecast at 3.4%. Now, basically, what does that mean? It basically means that consumers are spending more, but they're getting more in debt, right? So a lot of people think of CPI, which is Consumer Price Index, but Consumer Price Index is based more on a survey from tens of thousands of consumers instead of reports from businesses. Arguably, PCE is more reliable. So what is the correlation between PC and inflation? Well, according to ChatGPT, I'm on a separate window so you guys can't see. Historically, when the PC and core PC data rise, it often indicates increasing inflationary pressure in the economy, right? So one of the reasons why the markets have retained overvalued highs, in my opinion, in the macro. One second. Let me share this tab on StreamYard, and then share this tab on Zoom. I say this time and time again, every technically speaking, I do pay for TradingView, but because of the way StreamYard is set up, I must use Zoom on my browser, and hence it's not connected to my premium TradingView. Okay, so let's have a look at some macro data. No one's gonna like this, but the first chart I always look at, the SIXRE, real estate holdings in the S&P 500, right? Is at super lows right now. We're at COVID lows. This is not good for macro. Why? Because historically speaking, when we compare the SIXRE and the VT, which is basically the entire stock market, right? When we compare these, they've historically moved together up until recent times. They've gone the opposite way. I'm bearish in the next maybe year or so when it comes to the overall stock market, year or two, but it's got to come down at some point. So just be careful. Let me take that compare off. Oh. All right, go on. Say again. Yeah, this is the Vanguard Total World Stock Index. The SIXRE drawing down this much is an indication that at some point the stock market's got to pull back. I reckon the VT is going to go back to 84. Right, and we've even seen the S&P 500. We've seen this big bearish candle. Like these three pretty much follow each other historically speaking. SIXRE and then VT. Look, they've historically followed each other, right? But yeah, but the thing is, the S&P 500 is way too overvalued, and then the VT's here, right? And then since November 2022, they've kind of decoupled where the SIXRE, which is this orange one, right, has gone down, but the stock market's gone up. Well, for me, yeah, I don't overly buy the Bitcoin halving narrative. Cryptocurrency has to follow big money. So for me, this pump isn't an indication of any kind of bull market. But I do believe this pump is basically breaking the floor. Like I don't believe Bitcoin is ever going to be like 20K ever again. One second, go to Q4. Right. So I believe the point of this pump is it's not a bull market, but it's basically saying this is the new, like something like this would be like the new historical low for Bitcoin. Like this is basically a snapshot in history that's saying like this is over now. That's what I read this market as, because like everything I see. Sorry, go on. Oh, well, comparing it to Bitcoin? Yeah, why not? Thing is, Bitcoin way outperforms it, so it's it's hard to see when Bitcoin squashes them. You know what I mean? So even if I mean, it's kind of crazy to be doing support and resistance on oh shit. Oh, okay, I guess this is a somewhat representation, right? I know it's kind of crazy to do support and resistance on these lines, but I would say this is a kind of resistance, and eventually, like this might these things might go up again a little bit more, right? A little bit more, which is going to pump Bitcoin a little bit more. But then the pump is not going to go to all-time high. So at some point, it's got to draw down. the way I read the market right now. I see it as a bull trap. I can't lie. Like I feel like there's loads of money to be made in the next 2 to 3 months, but then the market's gonna pull back heavy in the next 3 to 4 months. But anyway, let's have a look at some exciting things. Come on, I'm not bearish on everything. Come on, 1 second. Let me share my tabs. Look what I tweeted. Look what I tweeted. Look what I tweeted. I tweeted this. I tweeted this. By the way, make sure you check out NFT Friday's episode with Omateo. That was legendary. Okay, cool. So, first of all, I love fractals. Yeah, let me teach you guys how to do fractals. Share this tab. Let's see if I can remember now. I only started doing fractals recently. So, okay, cool. This should literally be for paid students, but fuck it. That's why I should come to the Sunday show. Right. Oh, if I forget how to do this, it's embarrassing. Let me see if I can remember. Bars pattern. Okay, I got it, right? So what you do is you go here and you click bars pattern. And let's take the time frame June 2022 to now, yeah? Here to here. Boom. Now I got a fractal, right? And then I can see did did this shape exist at another point in time? One sec. Yeah, is it gonna yeah, is like you could argue on a fractal level, yeah, it's gonna do another crazy one, but I think that's too predictable. I don't know. I don't want to be this Super Bowl. But anyway, yeah, I can definitely see Bitcoin hitting 40K, but I don't see this as a bull market yet. I see this as like a super whale consolidation. But anyway, let's have a look at what I said about Ethereum because it's quite exciting. Right. So look, I tweeted this on the 26th of October, so 3 days ago. Yeah. First of all, I just told you guys what I just told you guys about fractals. If you use it, your TA will change. Will change your life. But anyway, BTC as the 26th of October was up 76% since 11th of November. Yeah. Um. Oh, not 11th of November. Sorry, 11th of October. And ETH is only up 52% since the same time period. Bitcoin has pumped 40% in the past 2 weeks, and ETH has only pumped 15% in the past 2 weeks. ETH. Let's go back here. Right. Let's look at how much Bitcoin is pumped. It's a lot. ETH hasn't really done the same. Right. So the Bitcoin pump happened. It started happening on let's say the 12th of September, right? In fact, let's say the 12th of October. 12th of October, in the past 17 days, Bitcoin's done what? 32%. Right? So that's 12th of October. 12th of October, 12th of October, 12th of October, 12th of October. Look at that. ETH has only done 16%. If ETH was to do 30% just like Bitcoin, we'd get, yeah, 2038 ETH. For me, a good price to start selling some Ethereum, maybe like 10%, would be, yeah, 2017. 2017 is good. Over 2K. And I would be happy buying back at, let's say, 5% drawdown. Buying back at like 1,900. That's a non-financial advice spot trade right there. Let's have a look at the entire crypto market. Yeah. Um. No, let's not shield that one. I don't. That doesn't look like a good project. I don't wanna be that guy. Yeah. I see the crypto market pulling back when it hits 1.33 trillion. 1.33 trillion slash 1.4, this kind of zone. All right, crypto market without Bitcoin. Obviously Ethereum's not really on its pump. Probably could see I think we could see 661 billion. I think there's still another it's actually at 13% to go. Just altcoins. Yeah, we could easily hit 400 billion. I see that another 50 billion in alts. So look out for the ones that haven't pumped. That's just my opinion. Let's have a look at the macro market, see how the dollar is doing. Okay, so it's kind of make or break time. Will the dollar DXY surpass 107? If we pass 107 and then we go to here, might not be the best news for assets. We'll have to see. Really, we want the dollar. We want the dollar to. We want the dollar to crash. To be honest. Well, actually, no, we don't. No, we don't. That would be bad for the world. That would be bad for the world. Let's not say that. Look at this. Start of COVID. Bull market, January 2021. And then where was we in November? Here. This is when the whole world was at the top. Like Bitcoin, the stock market, dollar started going up, assets started going down. Will people have faith in the dollar? Or will we go back to 101? Oh my God, gold just hit 2000. I look at this. Have you ever looked at gold but in different currencies? This is gold versus Turkish lira. Since 1997, gold against the Turkish lira has done 100x. That's crazy. Then against the Indonesian rupee, since 99, it's done 18x or 19x. But compared to the dollar, it did that fat dip, didn't it? It did this period. Don't know what was going on there. Imagine being American and buying gold in 2011 and seeing your money drop by 40% for 5 years. Crazy. Look at this, right? I kind of thought about this, and I don't trade oil, but if I were to spot trade oil, hypothetically, this oil kind of respects the RSI. And let's say, oh, not this RSI. We get it back. Come on, man. 1 second. Let me go my indicator back. All right. So let's check this out on the daily, yeah? Let's check this out on the daily. Like, let's rewind 1 year from today. Let's go to September 2022. Let's say I was just spot trading. Let's say I was spot trading $1,000. We just followed the RSI. So when's a good time to buy? Well, we started, it was a good time to buy. RSI was low, and we cash out here, right? So let's say we cash out here, and then we buy back in here, and we cash out maybe here. right? Because we got a lot of confirmation. Sell here. And we buy back in, not here because we didn't know. We bought back in here. And then we sold here. That was easy sell. And then we bought back in here. So just spot trading 101 basics, right? And then let's see where we'd be at, right? So we bought here. We sold here. Easy sell. We bought back in here. We sold here, but okay, cool. NinjaTea, king of spot trading, $1,000, right? 1,000. Enter. Okay, exit 1,250. 1,250. Okay, we wait a few months. We buy back in 1,250. We sell here another 20%. That's 1,250 times 1.2, 1,500. Bam, copy, paste. No leverage. We're on 1,500 now. Okay, we re-enter the market here. Bam. Market crashes. Sell at this big high, 31%. Times 1.3, 1,950. Oh my God. Not financial advice. We buy back in here at this crash. Bow. With 1,950. At 1,950 at current price, add 15%. Times 1.15. 2,242. So even though the price of oil between here, oh, sorry, between here and here, even though the price of oil went down by like 3%, if you was a good spot trader, you could have made 120% in 14 months. Hey. Anyway, side mission. Silver. What are we looking at? Silver. Oh. I do see silver going up, following gold. If we just compare gold and silver together, they kind of follow each other. Gold goes up, silver goes up. Where's it gonna go? It's gonna go to 126, possibly, which is a 16% rise. Okay. All markets are tied together. Ian Dunlap. Nasdaq is way too overvalued. Tech's going to crash at some point, in my opinion. We've already looked at Ethereum. Let's have a look at some stocks. Coinbase. Oh my God, Coinbase is basically kind of moving a bit like Bitcoin, isn't it? And yeah, moving a bit like BTC. Yeah. Tell me you're seeing what I'm seeing. Yeah. So it seems like the fate of Coinbase stock is highly correlated with the fate of of Bitcoin. Can everybody confirm they're seeing what I'm seeing? Bitcoin, Coinbase stock. Look how correlated this shit is. Wow. Isn't that funny? It's funny, that, isn't it? It's funny, that. Suspicious. All right, Tesla. Let me clean my Tesla chart. Come on. Healing of the nation. Shouts to my Jamaicans, man. Emily, have you been to Jamaica? Come on. Look at that. What's going on, Avery? Well, it's a bit suspicious, isn't it? Bitcoin goes up. Is Tesla stock got stop? Is Tesla stock gonna pump? Yeah. Look at it on the daily. The last time it was here, it did how much percent? 30%. I would prefer Tesla at this price though, 174. Let us not forget the Tesla. Huh? I should. I should. I should. I should. I should. Let us not forget that whilst everybody was celebrating Christmas in December 2022, Tesla did 110% between New Year's Day and Valentine's Day this year. Let us not forget. If you bought Tesla in April, you could have done 2x between April and July. If you was a sniper and got Tesla here, you could have bought it here, sold it here, bought it back here, sold it here, bought it back here, sold it here. I promise you, all of that is like 6x in 1 year on spot trading on Tesla. 1,000, enter with 1,000, exit with 2,200, 2,200, 2x that, 4,400, buy back in 4,400, exit at 31%, 4,400, about 7 grand. Yeah, that's like 7x. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 7x. I'm telling you, there is so much money in spot, so much money in stocks. Huh? Yeah, the RSI. So easy to follow. Buy, sell, buy back, sell, buy back, sell, buy back. Come on. Right. Don't know why I'm looking at this stock. Google, one of the biggest. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, oh. To be fair though, on the weekly, it's not that crazy. What's the sniper price of the Google stock? 102, 102 would be nice. I've never owned Google stock in my life, can't lie. Apple, Airbnb, still higher highs, but then it looks like a head and shoulders here. Still wouldn't touch this. Wouldn't touch Airbnb stock till at least $104. And this RSI needs to come down. This RSI needs to be 36 on the weekly. Let's wait for everything to fall. I don't want to buy any AMD. It's still too expensive. From the all-time high, it's only down 30. Okay, 43. That's all right. Where's PayPal? Where's my favorite stock? Wasn't it looking good? Wasn't PayPal looking good? Ooh, PayPal is bled. Yes. I like my stock market bargains. I like my bargains in the stock market. I like them. Oh, nice. Nice. Very nice. Oof, very nice. Very nice. And there's even a big fat gap between this level and this level. So if we were to put a large position in, we could take some good profit. Oh, damn! Yes! Congratulations to everybody who's cash heavy right now and has the opportunity to get into potentially PayPal stock. Oh, I was taking a peek. Yeah, not sponsored by PayPal. Look at this. Wow, look at all these gaps. Oh, for those that understand this opportunity. What a great time. What a great time. Let's have a look at some altcoins. What altcoins? What should we look at? True. Know what? One sec. Wait, let me just come back. Let me come back on the Zoom. I feel like that's a pretty good episode, I can't lie. I feel like we have gone deep.
I'm taking my notes.
Yeah. The reason
it was
why
a
I
good
looked at
episode.
stock plays is because there's nothing much to buy in crypto right now, to be honest. It's like if you wasn't in the crypto coins, I think you should just chill out for a bit. Can't lie. If someone asked me what crypto to buy right now, I don't really know what to say. I mean, it's never financial advice, but if I didn't already have crypto and I saw the price of crypto today, I'd cool off for a second. I can't lie. I'd rather make some of these stock plays. That's just me personally.
Yeah, I think, it's more like a holding time for us in crypto.
I'm trying to find a good time to take profit time, to buy back in time. That's what I'm trying to do.
I see. Kind of
Come on.
accumulating. I think these times it's when everybody stop trading with USD and everybody wants to double crypto and accumulate crypto.
Yeah. KG, Carl, Melissa, any questions or anything you want to add?
And that was a good session. I felt like I learned a lot, and I've made my own notes and gonna take away and develop them further. But I appreciate it and thank you guys.
Salute. Thanks for
Yo,
coming through,
Alyssa,
man.
Yeah.
are you? One sec. Let me end the live. Take care, guys. Let me end the stream. End the stream.